Hi, I'm Dr. Laura Morefield, and this is Carly. We're here to give you a training tip, or a couple training tips, to help you have a better experience in the exam room and help your dog relax a little bit. One of the big things I like to do is have you bring your pet in hungry. If they're hungry, they're really going to pay attention to your treats. Let's talk about treats. You have a whole bunch of treats you can give. I like all of these treats. I usually don't bring just boring old dry kibble to the exam room because this is a really stressful situation. So it's one where your dog might need something a little bit more special. I have boiled chicken for Carly today. This is one of her favorites. She loves string cheese. Sometimes I'll freeze baby food, just meat baby food, and it's like a little meat popsicle. Delicious for her. And then I also use Kongs. This one's stuffed with a little bit of cheese. We often put peanut butter in them as well. I put some whipped topping in them. The dogs absolutely love it. And so I use all of these very liberally while my dog is going through anything stressful. The other thing that you can do while you're in an exam room, maybe you're waiting for the doctor and you're both getting a little nervous, maybe have your dog do a few little tricks or just little things that they know that might relax them. They do some things for rewards. They've done it before. They know it's a happy thing. Touch. Yes. You'll find that they're just not paying attention to the room and all the sounds. Down. Yes, down. Yes, good. Stand. Nice. Sit. Sit. Nice. Touch. Good girl. So she's not paying any attention at all to what's going on around her. Another thing you can do is bring your mat that you might have already trained your dog to do a place behavior. It's nice to have a mat where they're already comfortable sitting at home and have gotten a lot of rewards, but also we'll spread it out on the floor sometimes just to get your, especially senior dog, some traction while the veterinarian is doing an exam. We have some of those here at the hospital, but you can bring your own if you like to, but I really like these for some good traction purposes. Here's a fun item I use a lot. This takes every bit of Carly's attention and you can do pretty much anything to her. This is called a snuffle mat. You can see she recognizes it. I have put little pieces of food down in the snuffle mat. When I put this down, she is into it. This is a dog that does not like to be examined, and if she is doing this, I can do a whole lot of stuff to her that she normally would not let me do. So this is a really effective thing, and if anybody wants to know, I can teach them how to make them. And then during the exam, you want to keep that? Okay. During the exam, you might go ahead and sit on our bench, and then what we might do is have your dog face you, and you've got one of these delicious treats, and she is well into that. Good girl. Good girl. She wants her snuffle mat more than she likes this, so that tells me what she likes better. Good girl. Here, let's try this. There are some squirts. Just little bits, but it's enough for me to really get an exam done on her without her stressing out. She normally really does not want me to examine her feet for the most part, but I can do a whole lot of stuff while she's noshing on some sweetness. So there you go. There's some tips that you can train at home to try to make your visit to the veterinarian a little bit better. I guess one more last thing, remember to breathe, because if you're more relaxed, that Zen energy just travels down the leash to your dog. Thank you.